In this step-by-step tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can run code in terminal in VS Code, Visual Studio Code. Now, first thing you need to do is you want to click on this gear icon at the very bottom left, and then after that you want to click on settings. Now after that you want to search here for extensions. Now next you want to find here under extensions, you want to find run code configuration. Now if you cannot find this run code configuration, keep watching. I'm going to be showing you how you can find it. Now if you can find it, just click on it, and then you want to search here for run in terminal. So after you find it here, like I said, make sure it's in run code configuration, and then you want to search for run in terminal. Make sure you check the box here, just check it. Now after you check it, you want to close everything and open the program again, and you should run code without any problem. Okay, so if you cannot see here run code configuration, what you need to do is you want to click on the extensions here, and then you want to search for a run code runner, which is this extension. Make sure you search here for code runner and then download this extension. It has like a lot of downloads here, 36 million. So just click on download, and now you will be able to run code. So if this tutorial helped you, please let me know in the comments. If you have any questions or you don't understand, or if it doesn't work for you, also let me know in the comments. I will show you how you can fix this. Drop a like, and yeah, see you in the next tutorial.